Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing one other topic, that is city creation. In city creation basically we are discussing one other topic, that is this file basically. In this file one of the person told that 900 crore basically is the population of Earth planet, and this land is going to divide one day. That is 100% sure. And that day basically will be the 10 second. So another person told that what would be the time period basically. What would be the time period when. So here basically I will ask one question, few questions basically. Divide that land 3 lakh people. 3 lakh people wala land. How many time it will take to divide? Time it will take to divide. This is one question. Then basically the time is how many time it will take to end the world within this divide time. Other than the above 3 lakh population wala land. Then basically merge after ending the world other than that above 3 lakh, what time it will take to merge the land with original land. Then fourth question is, after ending the world other than that 3 lakh land, how the world is going to start newly. Because this is going to happen, that is 100%. This is 100% going to happen. So world has to be ready. So one of the person told that which might be that land basically. There might be some land basically. Na? So each and every after this video basically lots of people will say that basically we have to check basically whether the country which we have created, they have become up to that level powerful or not basically. So for that basically what are the things basically they are going to do? The world creator says that basically we have created each and every resources basically for this. Each and every resources for example, that person which is going basically, yes, he is Dubai. That means in Dubai whatever recruitment happens basically, even a one small driver or recruitment also, without his permission it doesn't happen. So to check the Dubai basically, they are going to check, they are basically not going to check the Dubai basically, they are going to check that person basically, that up to what level that person has reached. Because you can't basically check the land basically, you can't check the Dubai city, how basically you are going to check the entire Dubai city basically. So that's why basically the human resource department has created by the set of group basically. So in future basically if anything basically have to verify basically, need to verify, then you just need to verify that resource basically. And that also the person basically who are basically recruiting the people basically in Dubai basically, or basically in Saudi, in Bahrain, in USA, in UK. That person you can see basically, yes, he is USA basically. He is USA, and he is basically recruiting each and every people basically in USA. So lots of people might be telling that basically that might be USA president basically, but he is not president basically. President basically it's not there. President basically just pass the rules and regulation everything basically. So here basically the specific person basically are there. So one of the person told that yeah, that's basically very dangerous thing basically the world has created, and this everything is created also basically. So one of the person told that the matrix basically has become like this basically now. The matrix has become and mostly will become like this. That is this. Hundred crore matrix in world. That 100 crore example I have already given. What is that 100 crore? Then this matrix 100 crore matrix का resource has been or will be, that basically need to check. Here basically we will say that without grammar we will 100 crore resource is created, because in grammar, if grammar is not there, then basically it will not be clear basically whether it's will be or basically it will not be. But it's very dangerous basically, you have to clear the thing basically. Then 100 crore resources created groups that are resources companies. In India basically everybody knows that basically that which companies are there. So see basically up to what level things are basically connecting. So this is done. Now basically the one of the person told that human resource basically are thinking up to this level basically. The human resource companies are thinking up to that level. The TCS companies human resource group basically are thinking up to that level basically. If they are not thinking, then basically they have to think basically. And mostly basically lots of people says that Infosys people basically don't take BCom people basically. And this basically is written by BCom person only basically. But why they don't take basically that? But they basically take contract based people basically in their company basically. They have started the contract. I think they only take contract based only. They don't permanent the people basically in Infosys. So now basically see, this is done, this is done, this is done, and this basically connects to software also basically. The software conditions, software each and every architect, each and everything basically are also connecting this. That also basically we are going to see. Then basically 100 crore resource group who are actually the creating the thing basically, that company basically comes into the picture, and then basically the companies, and here basically we'll write groups also basically, groups, peoples. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this topic.